What is up, Dreamedia family? This is Zach. Welcome back to another episode. Man, do I have an exciting product to show you guys today. I am going to be introducing the Escape P6 Air. This is high-resolution, multi-room streaming for indoor and outdoor use. Let's get into it. Today we are going to be introducing the Escape P6 Air. Let's go over some of the details of what makes this HiFi portable speaker so great. Let's go! The P6 Air is capable to fill even large rooms with an astonishing omnidirectional soundstage and an amazing sound quality across the entire frequency spectrum. The P6 Air is using two individual 3-inch custom-designed full-range drivers with aluminum dust caps and optimized deep poly cones with a 6.5-inch subwoofer for a powerful bass reproduction. It also has a rechargeable battery for up to 8 hours of playback, ensuring that you can take it on the go with you without having to plug into any power. Enjoy your music indoors and out. The powder-coated aluminum carrying handle makes it easy to quickly pick up the P6 Air and use it in another location. It's also designed for outdoors. It has an IPX4 outdoor rating. The waterproof grill is made out of multi-filament, high-tenacity poly yarn with a soft feel and a natural material effect. It has optimized weave openness for a crystal clear sound. The handle and trims are made out of powder-coated die-cast and extruded aluminum. It also has an incredible application that gives you a wide variety of control, such as the ability to control and choose between two different optimized DSP settings, indoor and outdoor. It has the possibility to change the 5-band graphic equalizer to create the frequency response curve that is most appealing to your personalized taste. Thanks to the 24-bit DSP processor, you can switch between stereo and wide soundstage. The P6 Air does support different ecosystems, such as Room Ready. It works with Apple Airplay, Chomecast is built in, it has Shopify, Bluetooth, and it's Wi-Fi certified. Alright guys, that's a wrap on my quick unboxing and overview on the Escape P6 Airs. These things are incredible. Highly recommended for all my HiFi guys out there. If you're on the go or you like indoor-outdoor vibes, you gotta check these out. Keep in mind, we are your nationwide go-to supplier. We have free shipping and would love the opportunity to earn your business. You can either head over to our website at shopdreamedia.com or you can call and speak with one of my specialists for a free video consultation. We don't only sell wireless Bluetooth speakers, we have everything that you need technology related for your home. Whether it's complex distributed audio systems or a home theater with projector and screen, we have all the interconnects as well as accessories to optimize your experience in your home. If you like this video, give me a big thumbs up and make sure to smash that subscribe button down below. Till next time, this is Zach with Dreamedia Home Theater. Thank you for watching.